You know, I just love these warm and cozy nights in the winter. Thank you, furnace.
Your furnace plays a big role in both air quality and energy usage. A clean filter helps remove dust and allergens, but did you know that replacing it regularly also helps keep your system running efficiently all year round? No. The most cost-effective way to replace your current filter is to buy new filters by the case. But before purchasing, just make sure to double check what size of filter your system uses, as well as the recommended MERV rating, which can usually be found in the system's manual. If someone in your home is allergy sensitive, then you might prefer sourcing a filter with a higher MERV rating, such as 10 to 12, but in most cases, a MERV rating of 8 will do the trick.
First, locate the power switch on your furnace and turn it off. Then identify where the return air enters your system and open that panel. Label your filter with the installation date so that you can keep track of when to replace it next. Simply slide out the old one to replace it with the new one, and remember, the arrows on the filter should point towards the blower. Don't forget to close the panel and turn the furnace back on when you're finished.
And that's all there is to it. How often you change your filter depends on your lifestyle.
That's right. Allergy-sensitive households may want to change their filter every 1 to 2 months, but for most people, 2 to 3 months seems totally fine.
The most important thing to remember is that a clean filter equals lower energy use. When did you last change yours?